Welcome to Rooshy Kids Educational Hub. Today we will learn daily routine sentences in English. Let's practice together.
I wake up in the morning. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I comb my hair. I take a bath. I get dressed. I eat my breakfast. I put on my shoes. I go to school. I sit in the class. I write in my notebook. I play with my friends. I eat my lunch. I help my parents. I water the plants. I clean my room. I do my homework. I spend time with my family. I go to sleep.